Read me.
Why is confidence important? Confidence is important for several reasons. First, it helps you believe in yourself and your abilities, which in turn can lead to increased motivation and productivity. When you have confidence in yourself, you are more likely to take on new challenges and push yourself out of your comfort zone. Confidence also helps you to project a positive image to others. When you are confident, you are more likely to appear competent and capable, which can lead to greater opportunities for success in your personal and professional life. Additionally, confidence can help you handle difficult situations and setbacks with resilience and determination. Finally, confidence is an important aspect of mental and emotional health. When you have confidence in yourself and your abilities, you are more likely to feel positive and self-assured, which can lead to greater overall well-being and a more fulfilling life.
Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1.